In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up conversion events in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start tracking the actions that matter most on your website or app. First, make sure you're already signed into your Google Analytics 4 property in your browser. You should be looking at the main analytics interface, the one with your reports and navigation menu on the left. We're going to work inside the admin area because that's where key configuration settings live. To get there, look for the admin option. Depending on your screen size, it's usually at the very bottom of the left-hand navigation. Click admin and you'll be taken to a page with settings organized into columns such as account level and property level options. In Google Analytics 4, conversion tracking is managed through something called key events. These are just normal events that you've decided are especially important for your business, like a purchase, a sign-up, or a lead form submission. On the admin page, find and click on key events. This section is where you tell Google Analytics which events you want to treat as conversions. If you don't see many items here yet, that's normal for a new property. Over time, as you send more events into GA4, you'll be able to mark the ones that matter most as key events. Once you're in the key events section, look for a button or option labeled New Key Event and click it. This is where you're going to define a new conversion based on an existing event. It's important to know that GA4 does not create the event for you here. The event you want to track as a key event must already exist in your data, either because it's a built-in event, an automatically collected event, or a custom event you're sending from your site or app. After clicking New Key Event, you'll see a field where you can type the name of the event you want to promote to a key event. Type the exact name of your event. This needs to match the event name exactly as it appears in your event reports or in your implementation. For example, if your event is called Purchase, you must type Purchase in all lowercase with no extra spaces. If it's Generate Lead, then type Generate Lead exactly that way. Any difference in spelling, capitalization, or underscores means Google Analytics will treat it as a different event and won't register it correctly as a conversion. Take a moment to double check the spelling before you move on. This simple step prevents a lot of confusion later when you're looking at your conversion reports and something seems to be missing. When you're confident the event name is correct, click Save. Once you click Save, Google Analytics 4 will start treating that event as a key event from that point forward. That means any future occurrences of that event will show up in your key event reports and can be used in your conversion analysis, funnels, and attribution. Keep in mind that this change is not retroactive. It won't turn past events into conversions, but it will capture everything that happens after you make this update. That's all there is to it. You've gone into the admin area, opened the key events section, created a new key event, entered the exact event name, and saved it. You can repeat this process for each important action you want to track. Over time, you'll build a clear picture of which user actions drive the most value for your business.